Hello inventors, this is Saurabh. In this video, we will learn how to create COVID prevention app using MIT App Inventor. So let me show you the concept and then we will see the demo of this app also. Okay, so we all know some home remedies for the cold, for the COVID. Now what we can do here, we will make a one platform, okay, and in this platform we will have all home remedies and anyone can submit the home remedies in this app, right? It means we can have a home remedies from all over the world, right? Let me show you the demo of this app, okay? So here you can see that's the demo, okay? So whenever someone open this app, so they can see the select home remedies, home add button, and he can see some symptoms of COVID, okay? COVID-19 most common symptoms. So suppose let's click on select home remedies here and you will find here there is two for cough home remedies that work and for cold. So I will click on that cold, okay, this one, and you can see for cold and it's dehydrated water juice and there are a lot of things, okay, so you can read it. Now if you know some home remedies, so what you can do, you can submit your own home remedies. So how you can do that? So you can see the add button, click on this, okay, and I know that one home remedies like HR home remedies, third, okay, I will put as the title and the description is something yes you can do and something like that, and I will say just test, okay, test home remedies, right? So it means that's my title, okay, for home remedies, okay, and that's my description, okay. Now we need to submit this and make sure this all this title and description can access anyone. If someone have this app, so anyone can access all these things because we are storing this data in the cloud DB, okay. So let's go to the home and let's click on this home remedies, this one, and you will find HR3, right? Now click on this and you will see that title and that description, okay. It means we can have the home remedies from all over the world, right? So that's a really amazing app to prevent the COVID. You can say we can have some help from COVID related tips, and we can say like if someone live in US and UK, they can have some more ideas about that, and we live in India, we have some another idea about that. So we can add all these ideas in this app, okay. So this app is, I really love it. So I will create this app tomorrow and I will show you how we can create this type of app using MIT App Inventor, okay. And if you have some suggestion, so how we can improve this app, so just comment on the video. So I will try my best to implement all these your ideas in our app, okay. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like this video and share this video. Have a nice day, be safe, bye bye.